Question 11, Part D. Find the integral of 1 over the square root of 4 minus 9x squared dx. By inspection, an integral of an expression of this type, that is 1 over the square root of 4 minus 9x squared, will result in an arcsin function or an inverse sine function. Now, to make the integration a little easier, I'm going to rewrite this expression in the form k times f dash of x over the square root of 1 minus f of x all squared. So going back to the original question, the first step is to factorize out 4 from the expression inside the surd. So factorize out 4 from 4 minus 9x squared. And we get 1 over the square root of 4 outside of 1 minus 9 over 4 times x squared in brackets. Now the next step, I'm going to do two things at once. I'm going to take the 4 outside of the surd, and when we do that, we take the square root of 4, so it becomes 2, and it appears here. Also, I'm going to write 9 over 4 x squared, recognizing that 9 is a square number, 4 is a square number, and x squared is a square number. So we can write that as 3 over 2x all squared. So the integrand is 1 over 2 times the square root of 1 minus 3 over 2x in brackets squared. The next step is to take the 2 in the denominator and write it as part of the numerator. So it becomes half over the square root of 1 minus 3 over 2x to the power of 2. Now the derivative of f of x, in this case 3 over 2 times x, is 3 over 2. But we have 1 over 2 in the numerator. Now I'm going to multiply the numerator by 3 to convert 1 over 2 into 3 over 2. But I'm going to compensate for that by multiplying the entire fraction by 1 over 3. So this expression here is equivalent to this expression here. So 1 over 3 times 3 over 2 all over the square root of 1 minus 3 over 2x in brackets to the power of 2. Now it's in the form k times f dash of x over the square root of 1 minus f of x squared. Now we can apply the reverse chain rule to find the integral. Hence, 1 over 3 times the integral of 3 over 2 over the square root of 1 minus 3 over 2x in brackets squared dx is equal to 1 over 3 times inverse sine of 3 over 2x plus the constant of integration c. So that's 1 over 3 times inverse sine of f of x plus c. And we can simply write it as 1 over 3 inverse sine or arcsine of 3 over 2x plus the constant of integration c.